Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best air fryer for one person Reddit. Number 1. Emeril Lagasse French Door. Upgrade your kitchen with the ultimate all-in-one cooking solution. This innovative appliance combines 10 essential kitchen tools into one powerful unit, making meal prep effortless. Designed with dual temperature zones, it allows you to cook your main dish and sides simultaneously with precision. Whether you're roasting, baking, air frying, or toasting, every meal is crafted to perfection. Equipped with QuickSync technology, this advanced convection system ensures that cooking times and settings are perfectly matched across zones. That means your entire meal is ready at the same time, no more waiting or juggling multiple appliances. With an XL 25-quart capacity, it easily accommodates large meals, making it perfect for family gatherings or entertaining guests. The removable divider expands the cooking space, providing ultimate flexibility. Enjoy faster, healthier meals with air fry technology that reduces cooking time by up to 60%, delivering crispy, delicious results with little to no oil. From frozen to perfectly cooked in minutes, it transforms frozen foods into gourmet dishes without the need for thawing. Experience efficiency, versatility, and culinary excellence all in one sleek design. Your kitchen will never be the same. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse Functions. Transform your kitchen with a versatile air fryer and multi-cooker designed to handle every meal with ease. From crispy after-school snacks to slow-roasted dinners for family gatherings, this all-in-one appliance simplifies cooking without sacrificing flavor. With 25 cooking presets, you can effortlessly prepare everything from ribs and pizza to delicate pastries and rotisserie chicken. Whether you're baking, toasting, slow cooking, or air frying, precision and convenience are built right in. Perfect toast is guaranteed with an automatic shut-off feature that prevents burning. The countdown timer ensures your toast is just the way you like it, with an indicator light that switches from red to blue when it's ready. A powerful dual-speed fan combined with 360-degree superheated air circulation delivers golden, crispy results every time, reducing oil use while enhancing flavor. Designed with a spacious 26-quart capacity, it accommodates meals for up to 6 people, with enough room for a 12-inch pizza or a 6-pound rotisserie chicken. The elegant stainless steel exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while sleek French doors open effortlessly with a single pull. With an interior light for easy monitoring, cooking has never been more stylish and efficient. Number 3. Ninja Digital. Revolutionize your cooking with a powerful, space-saving appliance designed for ultimate versatility. With precision-controlled temperature, airflow, and heat distribution, every meal is cooked to perfection. Featuring 8-in-1 functionality, it allows you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, toast, dehydrate, and more, all in one sleek, 1,800-watt unit. Whether you're crisping up golden fries with up to 75% less fat or roasting a full meal in just 20 minutes, this multifunctional powerhouse delivers efficiency without compromise. Experience faster cooking with a 60-second preheat and speeds up to 60% faster than traditional ovens. The spacious interior accommodates a 13-inch pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or 6 large chicken breasts, offering plenty of room for family meals. Customizable toast settings ensure perfect doneness every time, whether you prefer lightly golden or deeply toasted slices. Designed for modern kitchens, this unit flips up and stores against your backsplash, reclaiming valuable counter space. Cleanup is effortless with a removable crumb tray and an easy-access back panel. Complete with an air fry basket, sheet pan, wire rack, and crumb tray, everything you need for next-level cooking is included. Number 4. Midea Extra Large. Upgrade your kitchen with a high-performance air fryer toaster oven that delivers faster cooking and healthier meals with ease. Enjoy up to 25% quicker results and up to 90% less oil compared to traditional frying methods. Engineered for efficiency, it features VDE-certified heat evenness with a powerful convection fan and 6 heat tubes, ensuring rapid heating without the need for preheating when using the air fry function. With 10 versatile cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, pizza, slow cook, and dehydrate, this all-in-one appliance allows for flexible meal preparation. Whether you're crisping up golden fries, roasting a whole chicken, or warming leftovers, precise temperature control in 5-degree increments and 1-minute time adjustments ensure perfect results every time. The wide temperature range from 100 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit provides the versatility needed for any recipe. Designed with a spacious 26.4-quart capacity, it easily accommodates a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or 14 chicken wings, making it perfect for families. The sleek, anti-scald French doors and large LED digital display add a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Complete with essential accessories, including an air fry basket, baking rack, baking tray, and crumb tray, this stylish and functional appliance transforms your cooking experience. Number 5. Ninja Technology. Experience crispy, golden perfection with an advanced air fryer that delivers delicious results using little to no oil. Featuring cutting-edge air crisp technology, it circulates superheated 400 air around your food, ensuring an irresistibly crunchy texture without the excess fat. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods guilt-free, with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. Whether it's crispy fries, golden chicken wings, or crunchy veggies, every bite is packed with flavor. With a spacious 5-quart non-stick basket and crisper plate, this air fryer easily fits up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, making it perfect for family meals and gatherings. The 4-in-1 functionality lets you air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, offering versatility for every craving. Quickly transform frozen foods into crispy, restaurant-quality bites in just minutes, no thawing required. Designed to save space without compromising capacity, this sleek and compact unit fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Cleanup is effortless with a non-stick basket and crisper plate, ensuring a hassle-free cooking experience. Complete with a 20-recipe cookbook and cooking charts, it makes meal prep simple, fast, and delicious. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.